So first thing, we put ground beef, then we're gonna season it. Oh, the seasons we're gonna use garlic granules, not to over season because I'm very bad, so I usually just put too much. I'm gonna try to do better. Onion granules. I saw a couple of videos online how to make a burger, and I kind of mix them together.
And it came with your own.
Yes, so classic salt.
You can put as much as possible, but I love salt.
No, no. Oh, I don't like too much salt. And pepper, of course. I used to buy in granules and then mill it myself. But I kind of buy this one now. Easier, no? I like to put the gloves on for the mixing. So we're gonna mix all the spices together. Just mix everything nicely. And now I'm gonna add butter. Usually people like cut it in small pieces or whatever. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna cut 2 slices. Maybe this big. No, that's one small one. I'm gonna put this in a microwave just for 30 seconds, just for it to become softer. Okay, so guys, it melted a bit too much, but never mind,
okay.
We'll still use it. Okay, let's mix that together. Let's mix this in. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Is it?
Now we mix this nicely. Now that everything is mixed, we are making 3 burgers today. So we're gonna separate this into 3 parts. Let's say, for example, part 1, 2. This one is a bit too big, we add here. And we make balls.
Balls?
Yes.
Oh.
Just make balls like this. Pretty quick, guys. Okay, so usually people buy tools to make burgers, but I'm just using a foil here.
The cheapest way.
Yes.
Is it even cheaper because foil is expensive?
I don't know. To be honest, we need to go shopping for some tools, yeah? So I'm gonna put one of these here. Gonna cover and make myself a burger, no? Okay. It works. Will be a nice one. Oh, perfect. Okay, that's burger number 1. We do the same with burger number 2. So it's not round at the end, but
It's the shape
it still tastes great.
and it becomes the shape that you want to go on the bread, bake a bread. Huh?
Burger number 2 and burger number 3.
Nice.
Finito. So now I'm gonna put them in the fridge to cool down while I prepare the buns. Okay guys, next thing we're gonna do is the sauce. First thing, mayo. I love garlic mayo, so for me, garlic mayo.
So much. Yep. Thank you.
We put mayo. Second thing, ketchup. Same amount, no, as mayo. The third thing we'll use is mustard. This is the only one I could find. It's good. It's not bad. We use less mustard than the other ones because mustard is strong.
We all put.
The last thing, smoked paprika. Use not too much. Just a little bit. And we mix this. The great thing about this sauce is my son loves it. First time that he asked for more sauce. Boo-boo.
Really?
Usually he says, you put too much sauce on everything. First time he said, oh, I love that sauce, you should put more.
I love.
Okay, sauce is ready, move on to the next. Next thing, cut the onions. Cut them thin, because for me it like tastes better when they're cut very thin. Thank God I have a sharp knife. So it's cutting nicely. Okay. I'm gonna do the buns now.
Move a little bit.
I only have 2 buns, so for mine I'll use I'll make myself a sandwich instead, no?
Okay. We accept that.
Yeah. Here and here. Salad. I love lettuce. This one is washed. It's nice. And the last one. Yeah, salad is great. It's better to buy the whole one and to wash it, but I'm just too lazy to wash. So I buy this one that's already. And it's great for the other stuff as well. So okay, we're gonna add gherkins. Are they called gherkins? Pickles. So I'll put 2 here. Now we're gonna put onions.
Your hand, please. Thank you.
Yeah, the thinner they are, the tastier they are, no? But I don't like to put too much because people start complaining. For me, I would do all this for my burger alone. But people complain, so I put less onions. So before we're finished, I'm gonna prepare the cheese. So for 3 burgers, I'll take 3 of these. 1 for each burger. And I'll take this guy. 3 slices. 1,
My favorite one.
2, 3 slices. And I'm just gonna flip them like this
They are too big.
and let them wait. They're nice. We're gonna put them on a burger later. So we're just gonna do this. And we're gonna do this. Okay, now we go cook. Pan on. We're gonna put a little bit of oil.
Little bit, huh?
So this thin, minute each side enough. Let's check. Yeah, that side is ready. We're gonna turn them.
Don't turn your oil.
Now, when we put this side on, we're gonna add cheese. the cheese that we prepared earlier. 1 minute, cheese will melt, meat will be ready. We plate our burgers and we eat. I'm so hungry.
Yummy.
Okay guys, meat is almost ready. I'm gonna just put it on the side for a second to rest while I prepare my buns, while I do the sauce. Quickly, we're gonna start adding the sauce. Now we're gonna add our burgers. And the third one. Nice.
Yes.
Now we'll finish up with our sauce. We're gonna miss a little sauce, no?
Yeah. So Calvin said it was small.
Kelvin said it's right, yeah? Okay, so I mixed a little bit more of the sauce because my son was right when he said that's too little sauce. We need more. And the other one is waking up from his nap.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's it. There you go, guys.
Obrigado. Yeah. Thank you.
And a sandwich.
Bring it closer. Uh-huh.
Nice.
Yes.
And another burger.